Congratulations to you guys, because right now we will film with you all new Mercedes AMG GT. Let's go! So guys, let's start. As you can see, this is really new generation of AMG GT. And also I'm very happy that here we have very beautiful color. Oh, this matte deep blue is insane. So here we have absolutely redesigned all new lights, and it looks very different comparing with previous generation. And also here we have AMG dynamic package with a lot of aggressive and beautiful elements like this, and some elements in the back. Yeah, and we have some very good news, because here inside we still have great V8 engine with twin turbo 4.0. This one is GT63, and here we have S63. That's good. All right, let's go back to this vehicle. Yeah, so here we have 585 horsepower, so almost 600 horsepower. And what is also important here, with new generation of Mercedes AMG GT, we have all-wheel drive. And exactly because of this fact, this car is moving from 0 to 60 miles in 3.1 seconds, so to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.2 seconds. And that's amazing. Also here we have completely redesigned rear part. Look how beautiful is it, guys. How good is it? I just love it. And also with AMG dynamic package we have this extra part for diffuser, and with it looks like it's already upgraded rear part, you know, from some tuner company. It looks very cool and beautiful. That's amazing. Right guys, but the main revolution for me is inside. But okay, first revolution is that now we have all-wheel drive. That's very cool to have, very stable times from launch starts. But second revolution is inside, because now we have 4 seats on board. So now you can go together with your friends in all new AMG GT. And that's amazing. Not super a lot of space here, but better to have it than not to have, believe me. Also, if we're talking about interior, here we see interior. For me, it's almost the same like in all new SL, right? Let's go on board. Up, and then we'll open the engine bay. Oh, so good here, guys. So good to be in all new Mercedes-Benz. Let's switch it on. Classic dashboard from Mercedes-Benz with different designs. We saw it on other Mercedes-Benz models. Yeah, that's very cool. And also here we have these beautiful screen buttons where you can change driving modes. Let's try to do it like this. Yeah, it works here. Driving modes. That's amazing. And also you can watch how this changes looks like on the screen. Graphics is very good. We don't need to go deep in details of multimedia system, because you saw this multimedia system on all other modern Mercedes-Benz cars. So overall, let's have a look and have fun. I think it's amazing here. with all new AMG GT we have two trim levels. First one is GT55 with 470 horsepower, and this one, the most powerful, GT63, got classic V8 4 liters twin turbo, 585 horsepower, and it's so good when you able to see turbochargers. I just love these moments. That's it, guys. Guys, I forgot to show you trunk space, and before it, Timo also told about it that rear lights really looks very good. So I'm a fan of rear part in all new AMG GT. It's just a badass, and in front it's good, but it's too cute for me. And previous GT was like with more aggressive style in front, but rear part, look at it. I love it. All right, so trunk space, yeah, we have it. And you know, guys, for sport car it's pretty enough of space, really pretty enough of space. That's good. And now it's four-seater. Cool. Guys, so on this we're finishing our work on Monterey Car Week. We had a plan to film tomorrow with Bugatti, but right now we got the news that on Los Angeles is coming the strongest storm in the last 84 years. So that's why we decided to go back to LA to stay with our wifeys, to protect them. Yeah, but anyway, I think we made some very good content with you guys here on Monterey Car Week. Step by step we're doing better and better here in the US in our new life. Love you guys. See you later. Also, what is interesting, here we have as a standard rear steering axle, and if we're talking about pricing, no pricing yet, and it will go on sale in the end of this year of 2023. That's amazing, guys. I hope you enjoyed our review, and right now I'm jumping to film other content types for Instagram, TikTok. I hope you enjoyed. I love you guys, and see you soon in new cool videos with new great cars and great people. Cheers!